Hello, this is Maths Made Simple, and this is a lesson on expanding double brackets, following on from the lesson on expanding single brackets. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So, first things first, so when expanding double brackets, let's say we had a plus b and a minus b. First thing to remember here is is simply a plus b times a minus b. Okay, now what we need to do is to make sure every term in the one bracket is multiplied by every term in the other bracket. So going back to how we had it, if we had a plus b and a minus b, we simply need to multiply this by this term here and this by this term here, and then we look at the next term in this bracket, simply do this by multiplied by this, and then this multiplied by this. So in this example, let's firstly just recap the rules of negative numbers. So we've got positive times a negative equals a negative, positive times a positive equals a positive, negative times a negative equals a positive, sorry, and a negative times a positive equals a negative. Now in this example here, we'd firstly do a times a, which we know as a squared. We then do a times minus b, which is minus ab, and we do b times a, which is plus ab, and then we do b times minus b, which is minus b squared. Okay, and if we simplify that, minus ab plus ab is going to cancel each other out, 0. I'm simply left with a squared minus b squared. Okay. However, moving on to these questions I have here. So we've got x plus 8 in one bracket and x plus 3. So we want to multiply both terms in this bracket with both terms in this bracket. So we're simply going to do this times this, and then this times this. So we do that first. So that equals x times x, which is x squared. And we do x times 3, which is plus 3x. Now we're going to do this term here, multiply this by both terms in that bracket here. So we're going to do that times that, and that times that. Okay, so 8 times x is positive 8x, and we got 8 times 3 positive 24. Okay, now simplify this. We've got 3x here, 8x here. 3x plus 8x is 11x, so we simply get that x squared plus 11x plus 24. Okay, next question, we've got b plus 2 and b minus 4. So again, we're taking this term here, the b, and we need to multiply it by both terms in the other bracket. So this b and this minus 4. So b times b equals b squared. So just going back to previous lessons, b times b, we simply add the powers. Okay, be 1 plus 1 equals b squared. Okay, so b times b is b squared. B times minus 4 is minus 4b. And then in this bracket now we've got positive 2. We need to multiply that by this term here and then this term here. So positive 2 times b is positive 2b. And then you got positive 2 times minus 4. Again, we've got positive times negative. That's going to be minus 8. Okay. So simplifying this, we have our b squared. And now we have minus 4b plus 2b. Or easier to do that, easiest to do would be 2b minus 4b. So 2b take away 4b is minus 2b, and then minus 8. Okay, so that is b squared minus 2b minus 8. Next question, we've got z minus 2 and z plus 9. Again, same method applies. We're going to multiply this term here by that term first, then this term here. Okay, so we've got z times z, which equals z squared, and we've got z times positive 9, which is plus 9z. Okay, and we've got, therefore we then multiply this term here by this, and then this term here by this. So minus 12 times z, which is minus 12z, and we've got minus 12 times 9, which is minus 108. Yep, we've got a minus times a positive. We're now going to simplify it. So we have z squared, and we've now got 9z take away 12z. So 9 take away 12 is minus 3. 9z take away 12z is minus 3z. And then we have minus 108. Okay. This one's slightly harder, but not too bad. So all we're going to do here is making sure we multiply the bracket out first, then we do the multiplication 9. So we're just going to simply put a bigger bracket here. So let's do the brackets first. So we're going to do x times 3, which is 3x. Okay, yeah. And then x times minus y, which is minus xy. Then we have 4 times 3, which is positive 12. And then we have 4 times minus y, which is minus 4y. Okay, now looking at this, can't simplify it here because they're all different terms. Therefore, I'm simply going to times it by 9, each term by 9. 9 times 3x is 27x. 9 times minus xy is minus 9xy. 9 times positive 12 is positive 108. And 9 times minus 4y is minus 36y. Okay, and there's your answer. Now, last question. Again, slightly harder, but we're just going to do what's in the brackets first. That's the key here. And then we'll times it all by 2. So, x times x is going to be x squared. X times 1 is plus x. and then we do 2 times x is positive 2x. 2 times 1 is plus 2. And then simply that has to be multiplied by 2, but before we do that, we simply need to simplify the answer. So x squared is fine, but you got x plus 2x, which is plus 3x. Yeah. And then we've got plus 2. And now times everything by 2, so you're gonna got to times every term by 2, so you get 2 times x squared, which is 2x squared, 2 times plus 3x, which is plus 6x, and 2 times positive 2, which is plus 4. Okay, that is a lesson on expanding double brackets. Hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.